Hi guys. Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing? I hope you're doing great and wonderful. I'm back on behalf of Easy Profit 100, a direct mail program that's been around for 7 years, and I've been an affiliate of this program for 3 years. Okay, so if you landed on this page, you're obviously looking for a way to make some income from home. That's awesome, okay, because this particular channel is for affiliate marketing, okay, and what I do is actually show people different opportunities and how you can make income from home, okay, as being an affiliate marketer, and you make commission by selling other people's products, basically, pretty much, okay. Now, with this one, Easy Profit 100, it's direct mail. You don't ever have to speak to anyone. You don't answer any calls, any of that. The home office does all that for you. It's $149 one time to get started with the program. That's going to give you a website. That's going to give you a back office. So you can track all your sales when people join you. Okay. Now, what you also do is you're going to order your cards separately. Okay. And you're going to get 1,000 postcards you're going to order for $72 and some change, okay? And that's shipping included, okay? So you join this program and you mail out your cards, and when someone joins you, the company's going to pay you $100 for every referral, guys, and they're going to pay you every week, okay? So it's weekly payout, all right? Real simple. I think it's one of the easiest things that you can do because you don't have to worry about explaining anything to people. You don't have to talk to people. Let the company do all that for you, and all you do is receive emails from the company saying, hey, you got a commission coming. Okay, that's how they work, and they pay by check. Okay, so you'll receive your check in the mail. So what I'm going to show you here is, let me go up. This is a page. This is what your page is going to look like. You're going to get a page just like this. Okay? And it's a video here that your prospects will watch right here. They'll press play and they will watch the presentation if they have internet access. If they receive your card in the mail and they don't have internet access, they're just going to return the card to the returning address that's on the back. And it's going to have your ID on it, so the company will know who to pay if they decide to join. Okay, so as you can see, here's the site. You're going to get 120 leads also of names and addresses of people that you're going to mail to. So that 149 includes 120 leads. Okay, guys, so that's a good deal. Okay, so I'm just going to thumb through it just so you can kind of see, but you can opt into the page. I'm going to put the link below and you can go through this whole funnel. So as you can see right here, it's $149. Okay, one time, no monthly fees with this, and you're getting weekly pay. And with the compensation, it's a reverse 2-up. Your first sale you keep, so you're basically getting $100 back on your first sale. Your second sale passes up. Your third sale you keep. Your fourth passes up, and you keep every sale after that. And everybody has to do this. So basically, you're going to get 2 sales per every person that joins you. And this just goes on and on and on to in-depth infinity. Okay, unlimited growth. So that's where the leverage comes in with this. Here's an illustration right here for you. So you can look at this when you go to the website and you can see what I mean. So it's just 100 over and over and over and over and over. And with the reverse 2 pass-ups, this is just bananas, the income potential for this particular program, okay? So it's a horizontal pay line, guys, so there's no matrix and levels and placing people under people or any of that, okay? Pretty much, I mean, it's just referral. Once someone joins you, you get paid $100, okay? And then everybody passes up their second and fourth. And this can be really in-depth. Okay, if you really work the business, you'll just start getting these pass-ups just coming and coming. And the email is going to tell you that it's a pass-up too, so you don't have to guess, well, where did this come from? In the email, it's going to say you earned a commission and it was a pass-up. Okay, And there's a genealogy in your back office too, so you can see all your people in your downline, and you can also see each person if they've passed up someone. Okay, so it's pretty clear. And like it says here, it's a simple marketing system. Now what I'm doing is we're going to use the direct mail piece of the program and add it with the online marketing system that I'm going to show you here. And once you put those two together, you've got a powerful system. Okay, so let me flip over and I'm going to show you when you mail your card, we're using the Power Lead system as the marketing system. Okay, so once you sign up for Easy Profit, you're going to spend $149 one time, and then you're going to come over here and you're going to join Power Lead system. This is another page I created too. And this is in your back office, guys. Okay, so you're going to be able to do this too. So you use a page like this, and when you mail that card out, they're going to go to a page like this. They're going to put their email in, and we're going to have them watch this presentation. Okay, so the company explains it for you. See right here? You'll watch that. It'll have your information right here, so they'll know who to contact if they decide to contact you. If not, they'll just join. Okay, so you're going to use this marketing system right here to capture all your leads, and then it's going to send emails out on your behalf because it has an autoresponder built in. Okay, a follow-up email series that's very important. If you're going to market a business, you need that marketing system that's going to follow up with everybody for you on your behalf. Okay, so the system is actually going to market Easy Profit for you and the Power Lead system at the same time. All right, so let me flip over here and show you. So when you go in when you sign up, you want to become a gold member over here in Power Lead system, which is the $53.97 a month. Okay, and that allows you to receive the $20 residual income. Everybody that comes in Power Lead system and they become a gold member, you're gonna make 20 bucks. Okay, over and over and over and over, as long as they continue to pay that $53.97. So those two systems together is what we're integrating. Now I'm recommending everybody to do that, and then also purchase this free ad secrets diamond right here. All right, yours will be red right here. So you're going to purchase that diamond for $147 one time. Okay, one time. And this allows you to receive 100 bucks every time someone purchases the free ad secrets. And then the other level is the platinum level. Is $497 one time if you choose to do that as well. Social Profit Academy, and it allows you to receive 400 bucks commissions if someone comes in and purchases these products. Okay, this is optional. There's no monthly fees with that. It's just a one-time deal. And they recently added what they call the Master Traffic Institute, and that's $14.97 one time, and you'll make $1,000 commissions if someone comes in right here. Okay, but I highly recommend coming in and getting this system, because you need a marketing system, and it's going to have all the training you need right here. You're going to be trained. Your people are going to be trained every Thursday. Power Lead system does a training for everybody, so you're not even going to have to train people, right? Everybody's going to be trained by the company. Okay, and this is live training, or it's recorded as well. So if someone can't make the live training online, and you can do all this from your smart device. If you can't make the live training, then you can look at the replay in there in this training section right here, training area. Okay, so you join Easy Profit, you join Power Lead system, and the company does the training for you. Okay, the company's going to train everybody how to use the Power Lead system. So you get a lot of people that goes, "Oh, I'm not tech savvy. I really don't know what to do online." Wonderful. This is where you need to be, where this company is going to do the training for you, and they keep everything simple. Okay, and then everything is recorded, so you can go back and watch it over and over if you miss something. Okay, so I'm going to put the link below for Easy Profit 100. Join this for $149, and then you're going to join. I'm going to put the link below for Power Lead system. Come in at least as a gold member, guys, and diamond. I definitely recommend that. If you can't do the diamond right now, go ahead and come in as a gold member and start making residual income every month. Okay, so that's what we have for you today. And if you have any questions, just give me a call. I'll be happy to explain everything to you. But if you're looking for simplicity, this is the way to go. Just mail those cards. and let this system right here do all the selling and telling for you. Okay, you can't get any easier than that. All right, guys. All right, well, we're going to close out. Go ahead and make sure you click the red button there and subscribe, and go ahead and click the notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload new videos. And we'll see you on the inside. If you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out to me. But go ahead and look at this first, okay? Because we want you to look at the information first before you just call. Look at go over this site, so you know it's pretty clear. It's very clear. I mean, there's no hidden anything in here. There's no hypes. It's very clear. But once you do that, and then watch this little video here, what's 2 minutes, then call me. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. But other than that, we will see you on the inside. Okay, we'll see you on the inside, and we'll see you in the next video. You guys have a blessed day.